What are you doing here, Matt?
We did headers and a CSL conversion on this. He just wants it dyno tested and calibrated, so we're gonna see where we're at on our base tune and make any adjustments we need. Should be pretty straightforward.
What did it make?
Uncorrected 356, SAE 337 SAE.
337?
Yeah, about right where it should be. Like a couple more, huh?
Much?
341. Pretty damn good. That one was 350.